Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Making money isn't necessarily hard. There are many ways of earning money, especially now when there are many options for working from home. Working from home also has the added advantage of allowing you to work in accordance to your own schedule and from the comfort of your own home. Today, we'll be discussing top 10 websites to make $100 per day working from home. Make sure you stay until number 1 and don't miss a single one. Number 10. Duda. If you can earn money without knowing how to build a website, then Duda is your buddy. Just look out for sites that aren't mobile friendly. Use your mobile phone and do some searching. Some signs may be that the page doesn't fit right on your phone's screen, it doesn't load properly, or things are stretched out. These are signs that the website needs your help. To earn from this, contact the websites and tell them that you'll be able to optimize their site for them. Then start Duda's free trial so that you won't have to pay anything up front. Use this website to make great looking mobile versions of other websites. Number 9. Muncheye. The Eye of IM launchers, or Muncheye, is perfect for internet marketing. You can see internet marketing products before their launch. If you're making money from affiliate links, you can paste the links onto your blog, video, or other social medium and advertise for the product. When someone clicks the link and purchases the product, you get a commission. This website becomes so helpful when you market properly, and you can also benefit from early bird sales and free access to products which will boost your commission even further. Number 8. Peerfly. Peerfly is an affiliate program that allows you to do CPA. It uses a pay-per-action system, so instead of needing people to purchase whatever you're advertising for, you will advertise a site and get people to sign up for it. Instead of getting a commission only when people sign up, you will make a commission with every click on the link. With this technique, it's easy to make $100 a day by asking your family, friends, and followers to click on the link without having them pay anything. The higher you earn, the more you can charge sites to optimize their pages. Number 7. Share a sale. If you want to use affiliate links, try Share a Sale. You rarely earn a commission with many affiliate programs, but not with Share a Sale. It offers options for promoters and merchants with a commission starting at 10% and is easily negotiable. You start by promoting products, which then boost sales for merchants, enabling them to strike a better commission deal with you. You will review their products either on a blog or on a video or website or any other online page they're advertising. After that, get your followers to click on the affiliate link and buy the product. It's a win-win and hundreds of dollars a day straight to your pocket if you advertise it well. Number 6. Upwork. Used mainly by freelancers, a free and great website to use is called Upwork. There are job hunters or freelancers and clients. When you sign up, you want to sign up as a freelancer. You'll see many job postings that span many different categories, from graphic design to videography to everything else in between. When you sign up, you have a set of points. You can use these points or connects each time you send in a proposal for a project. Every time you get a job, you earn more points. When you send in a proposal, you will have to have a nice resume and cover letter available to send. Many other people will send in proposals, so you will want to stand out. Send proposals for as many jobs as you can and make sure you will do well. This will assure that you earn big bucks. Number 5. GoDaddy Auctions. Want to sell domain names and host auctions? You can do that with GoDaddy. In these auctions, they sell off older expiring domain names. You can participate in these and flip your purchases in order to make hundreds of dollars a day. To flip, you'll be buying the domain names at a low cost, then selling them at a higher price. Buy them at the auction. Bid a low price. You can get some decent names for around $10. Then visit the website Flipper. On this website, you can sell the domain names that you have been sitting on. You can sell them for hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars each. To really maximize your earnings, you can see a list of the top domain names that are selling on Flipper and find a pattern. Then look for similar names on GoDaddy Auctions and purchase those domains. Then sell them on Flipper for high prices. This can earn you a huge profit depending on how much you sell, the names, and how much each name costs to you. Calculate your profits to maximize them. Number 4. Fiverr. Want to sell services in the form of gigs? Use Fiverr. You can be a freelancer or just about anything. The site hosts tons of different services such as event planners, logo designers, website developers, writers, and a ton more. You can even sell video greetings. You don't necessarily need a professional skill to join. All you need is building up a portfolio and proving to people that you can deliver quality work in a good amount of time. Fiverr allows you to set your own price. And you can also set your own schedule. This site has a feature that allows you to take days off where people can't order your gig. You can do pretty much anything with this website, and you can customize your gig pages to make sure the customers come in. You can easily make $100 a day once you get the hang of it. If you have a nice service that you offer for $50, you only need 2 orders a day. How great is that? Number 3. ACX. Another website that is suitable for all skill levels is ACX, where authors, publishers, and rights holders connect with producers, narrators, and recording studios. So, what is the site for? It's for producing audiobooks. And you can sign up and become a narrator. All you need is a good microphone and the ability to read and speak clearly. Then you're set up to earn. Here's how you get started. First, create a profile. You need to upload some samples of your voice, and you can give people an idea of what you're capable of. Include any accents and styles of speaking here. Next, explain how you want to get paid. Then, look for the books that you're interested in narrating. Step 5 is to accept the offers from the authors and start recording. Make sure you sound great, so people will be satisfied. Finally, get paid. It's easy and anyone can do it, so try it out today. Number 2. Zirtual. Zirtual hires personal assistants who are willing to work from home, known as virtual assistants. Some tasks for assisting entrepreneurs, professionals, and other teams include making phone calls, restaurant reservations, book travel plans, and so on. You'll be helping people who don't have time to take on these tasks due to their busy schedules. It can all be done remotely and at the comfort of your own home. The pay is the best part about this job, where as a beginner you can make anywhere from $12 to $15 an hour. Prove that you can do good as a virtual assistant and earn up to $5,000 a month. It's about time you start your VA journey. Number 1. Validately. How about earning some decent money just by doing some simple tasks? Validately is a great site to help you do this. These tasks involve simple jobs like testing websites, and it doesn't even take that much to get started. To start with, you just want to sign up. Signing up requires you to fill out a 16-question form, but this isn't as daunting as it may sound at first. It's filled with simple questions like, where were you born, and what is your annual income? Once you're done with that, you'll be given a short test, and after that, you're all set to go. The site will email you with tasks, and they will be very easy to complete. You just need to test out some websites and send screenshots for proof. With this site, you can earn hundreds of dollars just for doing 30 minutes of work. It really is that simple for you to get out there and start earning big. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.